If you want to capitalize on the summer rush for your HVAC business this year, make sure your money has somewhere to go. Money that just kind of goes to your bank account and doesn't have a designated purpose will oftentimes dwindle. It's just the nature of how we handle it. We see we have a bunch of money and we start spending money on programs that get pitched to us or whatever it is. And then before we know it, we're out of money again and scrambling. So maybe the best way to prevent that is to have a set limit in your bank account that anything that goes above that bank account, you immediately put towards a shoulder season backup savings account or a shoulder seasons marketing account. And that will give you a more accurate idea of what you're actually able to afford on things right now, while making sure you have those backups that you're gonna need in the coming season.